Hello everyone, I am Rahul Agarwal, Assistant Professor of IT Department in Biyani Group of Colleges. I welcome all of you on behalf of Guru KPU. Today we will discuss about correlation. So at first we discuss what is correlation. Two variables x and y are known as correlated. If any change in one variable affects the other variable, if we do any change in variable 1, it will affect variable 2. Then these variables are known as correlated. Some examples of correlated variables are temperature and cold, rainfall and crop, price and demand. First example is temperature and cold. If temperature will decrease, then cold increase. If temperature increase, then cold decrease. So these are known as correlated variables. Second example is rainfall and yield of crop. In general, if rainfall increase, then crop will be also increase. If rainfall decrease, then crop will also decrease. So any change in rainfall also affect crop. So these are known as correlated variables. Third one is price and demand. In general, if price be increase, then demand decrease. So any change in price also affect demand. So these are known as correlated variables. Now we will discuss types of correlation. We have two types of correlations. Number one, positive correlation. Second one is negative correlation. So what is positive correlation? Positive correlation means same change in both variables. Like same effect. If x increase, then y will be also increase. If x decrease, then y will be also decrease. So directly proportional. Any change in one variable, same direction change in other variables like rainfall and crop. Rainfall increase, then crop increase. Rainfall decrease, then crop decrease. The graph we can plot like this, x and y. X is in increasing form, then y is also in increasing form. So it is example of positive correlation. Second one is negative correlation. Negative correlation means opposite effect. If we change in one variable, then the other variable change in opposite direction. Like x increase, then y decrease. X decrease, then y increase. It is known as negative correlation. Examples: temperature and cold. Temperature increase, cold decrease. Temperature decrease, cold increase. Second one is price and demand. Price increase, then demand decrease. So these are examples of negative correlation. We can plot the graph like this. X is in increasing form, y is in decreasing form. It is example of negative correlation. Now we will discuss correlation coefficient. What is correlation coefficient? Correlation coefficient is a measure to calculate amount of correlation between two variables. So correlation coefficient is a measure to calculate amount of correlation between two variables. In two variables, how much correlation is decided by correlation coefficient. It is represented by symbol R and its range is always -1 to +1. Correlation coefficient R exists between -1 to +1. We can divide further in following categories. This is range of correlation coefficient R from -1 to +1. 8.0. 0 means no correlation. If we are going in positive direction, then positive correlation is increasing. If we are going in negative direction, then negative correlation is increasing. 8.1. Perfect positive, maximum positive correlation. 8.1. Perfect negative, maximum negative correlation. In between, there are three categories: 0 to 0.25, low positive; 0.25 to 0.75, medium positive; and 0.75 to 1, high positive. Similar case in negative correlation: 0 to -0.25, low negative, minus to this medium negative, and this one is high negative correlation. Getting my point? We will discuss how we can calculate correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient can be calculated by using Karl-pearson correlation coefficient formula. The formula is R is equal to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon square root x minus x bar whole square sigma y minus y bar का whole square. X bar is sigma x upon n, y bar is sigma y upon n. How we can calculate? We can understand it by using an Example. Find correlation coefficient between x and y. Two variables x and y. The values are given. So at first one column is x, second column is y. We need x minus x bar. So one column is of x minus x bar. Second column y minus y bar. Then product of this product. Then x minus x bar whole square. Y minus y bar whole square. Value of x 1, 2, 3, 6. Value of y 2, 3, 4, 7. At first we need x bar and y bar. X bar sigma x upon n. Sigma means sum. Sum of x. Sum of x 12. 12 upon n. Number of values. Values are 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 by 4. 3. Y bar sigma y upon n. Sum of y. Sum of y is 16. Number of values 4. 4. So x bar is 3. Y bar is 4. We need x minus x bar. X bar is 3. X minus 3. 1 minus 3. 2 minus 3. 3 minus 3. 6 minus 3. Y minus y bar. Y bar is 4. Y minus y bar. Y is 2. Y bar 4. 2 minus 4. 3 minus 4. 4 minus 4. 7 minus 4. Then product. Minus 2 into minus 2. Product. Product. Then x minus x bar whole square. This is x minus x bar. Square this. Minus 2 square 4. Minus 1 square. 0 square and 3 square. Similar y minus y bar whole square. 0 square 0. 3 square 9. Then do sum of this all. Correlation coefficient are formula is x minus x bar. Y minus y bar upon square root. This sum is 14. This sum is 14. And this sum is also 14. 14 into 14 ka root. 14. 14 by 14 1. 1 shows perfect positive correlation. Getting this point? So very simple process. We have to apply only the given formula and we can calculate result. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video. Thank you and thank you.